Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add loyalty card to your Google Wallet on your VIVO X300. So basically, if you want to add a loyalty card to your Google Wallet, it's very simple. And I'll show you how to do it. So first up, you'll need to open up your wallet and allow view wallet. So now as the wallet is turned on, to add a loyalty card you'll need to tap on this plus right here, and here you can see all the methods like cards, passes, and all the things you can add to wallet. For example, payment card, transport pass, loyalty card, gift card, and everything else. As that's, for example, event ticket, gym membership, or insurance card. So if you want to add a loyalty card, click on it, and here you can check popular nearby or search for any other loyalty card. So for example, I'll add Kaufland, and here you'll need to scan it or enter it manually. As I don't have a loyalty card right now, you'll just need to enter the card ID. It's normally on the back of your loyalty card. So that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.